Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to take photos of your fishes in your fish tank. How to take a decent photo using a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. So let's start with the basics. First, lighting. If your fish tank is well lit, that means you don't have to really do much to get a good shot, but it's best to have as much light as possible. My fish tank is located outside, so just give you a brief look of what I have out here. So it's just ambient lighting. I'm just going to use the ambient lighting and try and capture them as it is. The only problem is there'll be some reflections which I have to avoid, and that is by changing the different angles that I shoot at. Okay, the gear that I'll be using will be a Sony Mirrorless A7III and just a simple 50mm lens, 1.8. Now you can use other lenses as well. A kit lens is fine, any DSLR is fine. I will share the settings as we go, and yeah, let's start.